All right, good to see you, everybody. This is Dr. Blumenthal back with you in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and I am so excited. We have Saskia back with us. It was about a year ago, maybe a little bit over, that we did your surgery, and you look incredible. I mean, I can't even believe the results. It looks fantastic. And we'll put up the before pictures afterwards when we do sort of the side by side. But welcome back.
Thank you.
Tell us what you think, how the year went, what everybody else is saying. Tell us the whole thing.
Well, the year went by. I know everybody says this, but the year went by really fast.
Uh-huh.
I mean, to be honest, the first 3 months was kind of rough.
Yeah.
Because you have nothing else to do. It's fresh. You just keep checking your hair.
Yeah.
Checking YouTube videos to compare my.
Exactly. Yeah. That's like the worst thing you can do, but yes. Yeah.
Yeah. After the 5th month, everything just started coming in. The hair started growing, and I started seeing progress, and I started feeling really good about myself.
Good. And then from there, it just kind of grew like gangbusters the rest of the year. Awesome.
Yeah,
that's great.
Forgot about it, and before I knew it, I had edges.
Right. I try to tell my patients it's easier said than done, but if possible, just sort of forget that you did it and just sort of live your life. But it can be hard. You're looking at it. You're looking at other people. You're comparing yourself. It's hard. Yeah. So how do you like it?
I love it.
Good.
It's one less thing to worry about. I can just, I can grip my hair like this. I can just pluck my hair and go. I don't have to worry about covering and gel and stuff. Just so liberating.
That makes me smile so much. Have other people sort of noticed it, picked up on it, made any remarks? Yeah. Family or friends?
Delicious. A lot of my aunts and my daughter, they came with me, so they saw the beginning.
They saw from the beginning. Yeah.
They were really impressed. Like, they can't believe how much it's grown. So.
It's fantastic. I love it. So what I'm gonna do, if you're okay with it, you're holding your head straight like that. We'll put the before picture up straight, and then just put your head down like that for 2 or 3 seconds. Just look down at the floor for me.
Do you want me to pull it back? Because
yeah. Go ahead. You can pull back. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, and it's not you sort of pushing it all forward to cover any spots. I mean, this came in really well. Yeah. I love it. And then pick a side, either left or right, and turn to the side. Wow. Oh man. Right. And then the before is when we put up the before. It is incredible. And then the other side.
This one's the really bad side. Remember?
That was the worst side. Yeah. Man.
So it's just like, look at all this is hair.
Yep.
All back.
Oh man. That is incredible. How's the scar in the back? I mean, obviously we wouldn't be able to see it now, but has it ever been an issue for you? Yeah.
I get back there.
I know. I mean, you could go down to almost nothing and never not seeing that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, that is so. Oh man, it just makes me so happy to see you smile. It is fantastic. Thank you for doing this. Again, I hope this inspires some other people. And this will be the last time that we check in with you, but send us Christmas cards and check in with us periodically when you're going to the Caribbean and beaches, and send us happy pictures of you, okay?
Of course.
All right, Saskia.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you
so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.